Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do a video that we always do, especially when we talk about earbuds, but we're going to do it a little bit differently, okay? So we're outside here, a little bit of a different take on this style of video, but same general concept. So today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Coumi ANC-860 truly wireless earbuds, okay? So in this video here today, we're going to give you a fitting demonstration along with two sound sample tests. The first sound sample test is going to be a leakage test, and then the final test is going to be an audio sample to the best of my ability. Now, recording this video here today, I am using the front 10 megapixel camera and or the rear 64 megapixel camera on the LG V60. This is being recorded in 1080p at 60 FPS with external audio hooked up. So we are using my lapel clip-on microphone here today. So recording all the audio and the samples in terms of sound, we will be using this clip-on microphone here today. Alright, so as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. And if you want links to the playlist that I used while I was testing out these earbuds, I'll link that up down below along with everything else that you need to know. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's dive straight into the video. Now, starting off, the first thing I want to cover with everyone is a fitting demonstration. So y'all can see this is a front profile shot here. And you can see this is what the earbuds look like in my ears. Okay? And just for reference, I'm using the stock earbud tips. The tips that came on the earbuds out of the box by default. Okay? I feel as though those provide me the best overall fit. Alright, so here's the front profile. And then let's pan this way. So check out the right. Let me hold it here for a couple seconds. Okay. And now let's check out the left. And let me hold it here for a couple seconds. Okay. And overall, when we talk about the fit, I have to say the fit and overall feel on these is really, really good. Okay. Nice snug fit. Really comfortable for extended listening sessions. The overall fit on these earbuds, in my opinion, is really, really good. Okay? Alright? So real quick fitting demonstration there for you guys and gals. Now let's get into the audio demonstrations. Let's start off with the leakage test. So just for reference, I want to show y'all that this is connected up to my device. So y'all can see up on the screen here, you're going to see that it's connected up to my device right here. And the volume is set to 100%. Okay? Just so y'all can see that. And then also, alongside that information for y'all, I will have a nice close-up of the earbuds thrown up over here in post. So you get a nice close-up of each individual earbud right here. And then you will get some verification and connection information right over here. Okay? So check that out. Just so y'all know, we're all about keeping it straight 100 around here. Okay? Now, you'll also see the copyright-free music that I'm using here today in this video. And let me go ahead and show you right there. So, if this is unclear, I'll throw up the B-roll shot. But we are using copyright music, copyright-free music right there. Yeah, it's a little unclear, so I'll throw up the B-roll for it so y'all know what we're using. So let's go ahead and push play now. Again, the volume is set to 100. All the ANC and all that stuff is turned off, so this is just straight in normal mode. And y'all let me know if y'all can pick up any leakage. This is less than a foot away from my mouth. So let me know what type of leakage y'all pick up. Let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. Let me restart that. Here we go. Okay. Oh, Okay. Oh, snap. Oh. Mm-hmm. Ooh, the bass on here, boy. The bass on here. Can hear them drums. Nice highs. Nice mids. Ooh, yeah, that's hitting hard. Ooh-wee. Let me pause this. Let me pause this. We don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so real quick leakage test. I hope I wasn't talking too much. Y'all should have gotten a really nice sound sample or a really good representation of the type of leakage that comes off the earbuds. Now, my overall opinions on the overall sound, the volume, and the bass on these are really, really good. In terms of the overall sound quality, they sound really good, very crisp, clear, loud, with no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. So overall sound quality on these is really, really good. Talking about the overall volume on these, it also is really, really good. It easily drowns out my surroundings. Like now, with the music stopped, I can hear cars passing by. I can hear birds chirping. With the music playing, I couldn't hear anything but what I was listening to. So in terms of overall volume, these are really, really good. And now for the all-important portion, the overall bass. The bass on these earbuds are really good. Now, I don't want to say top-notch, but they are really, really good. And I think they more than serve their purpose. Now, it is, I kind of wanted it, I'm sorry, I'm lost for words right now. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more punchy, but it does add a nice little bit of extra dimension to the overall music. And it's really good. It's not as punchy as I like. You know, your boy is a bass lover out here, but it's really good overall. So the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass on these is really good. Now what I want to do for everyone is I'm going to attempt to give y'all an audio sample to the best of my ability. So let's restart the music here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and push play. Alright, I'm going to take them out and hold them up to the mic. So here we go. And we're going to hold them up now. Here we go. And we're going to do this for about 20 seconds. Starting now. Okay, good 20 seconds, and that should about do it. Now, that may be a little unfair because it's kind of breezy out here today, but hey, it is what it is. We got a nice high quality microphone. Hopefully y'all got a nice sound sample with it. Alright, let's go ahead and stop this. Alright. So that pretty much does it, everyone. My bad. That should pretty much do it, everyone, for the overall fit and sound demo of the ANC Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Now, having trouble putting this one back in. Here we go. Gotta line it up properly. There it is. Then we're going to angle the mics just like that. Boom. There it is. So there you guys and gals have it. That has been my fit and sound demo of the Coumi ANC-860 truly wireless earbuds. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. All the links to everything that y'all need to know about these earbuds, along with my extended coverage, will be linked up down below in the video description. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below as well. How did the V60 cameras do? Let me know. All feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.